Causes of diabetes and how to prevent it. Wondering when a smartphone is going to come out with a glucometer? Let's start with what diabetes really is. In simple words, diabetes is a metabolic disease in which the patient suffers from a high blood sugar level. For a person who does not have diabetes, a hormone called insulin moves sugar from the blood cells to be stored or used for energy. Whereas with diabetes, the person's body either does not make enough insulin or cannot effectively use the insulin it does make. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Without further ado, let's start the video. First of all, we are going to talk about what are the possible causes of diabetes. Number 1. Viral or bacterial infection. Bacteria and viruses have an obvious role when it comes to common infectious diseases, but they have also been identified as the surprising cause of many other illnesses, which include cervical cancer and stomach ulcers. A new study done recently suggests that bacteria may even be one of the causes of the most prevalent disease of our time, which is diabetes type 2. Chronic exposure to staph bacteria is the basic cause of developing diabetes. Toxins produced by all strains of staph bacteria can disrupt the immune system and are responsible for the deadly effects of various staph infections. It is also believed that obesity alters a person's ecosystem of bacteria that colonize our bodies, which in turn affects our health. Number 2. Chemical toxins within food. There is a close relationship when it comes to environmental influences and diabetes mellitus. A study shows that two environmental toxins called arsenic and dioxin can enter the food supply through a number of different routes and indicate a possible relationship between diabetes and environmental toxins. Soil is a natural sink for dioxins, and since dioxin is fat-soluble, it bioaccumulates up the food chain and is mainly found in meat and dairy products. Whereas arsenic is transported mainly by water, and marine foods are the main source of arsenic in the diet. Number 3. Unidentified component causing autoimmune reaction. Diabetes is often caused by an autoimmune reaction. It is a slow-progressing form of disease where the pancreas stops producing an adequate amount of insulin, most likely from some insult that slowly damages the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Number 4. Obesity. Obesity is believed to account for 80 to 85% of the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. When a person is obese, the substances that are involved in the development of insulin resistance are increased, because of which, even though the body is making enough insulin, but the cells in the body become resistant to the action of insulin. Number 5. Living a sedentary lifestyle. Lifestyle changes can help prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes, the most common form of the disease. Prevention is especially important if you're currently at an increased risk of type 2 diabetes because of excess weight or obesity, high cholesterol, or a family history of diabetes. A sedentary lifestyle is a lifestyle with a lot of sitting and lying down and with very little to no exercise. The time people spend sitting inactive may have significant physiological consequences that are hazardous to human health, including risk for type 2 diabetes and other chronic diseases. Physical inactivity alone is estimated to cause 7% of type 2 diabetes. The amount of time you spend sitting, even if you also exercise into your daily routine, can increase your type 2 diabetes risk even further. Hence, it is well established that increasing physical activity plays an important role in reducing risk of obesity and diabetes. Number 6. Increasing age. Older adults are at high risk for the development of type 2 diabetes because of increasing insulin resistance. Being more than 45 years of age is a risk factor for diabetes type 2, and people of this age should begin taking active steps to prevent the condition. Adults aged 45 to 64 are the most diagnosed age group for diabetes. Number 7. Bad diet. Unhealthy eating habits are becoming the leading cause for diabetes. A diet that is high in fat, especially bad fats, calories and cholesterol, increase your risk of developing diabetes. Unhealthy eating habits lead to obesity, which is considered as another huge risk factor for diabetes and causes many other health problems. A bad diet can cause diabetes type 2, even if you lead a healthy lifestyle. So it is very important for you to keep your dietary habits in check. That said, if you have unfortunately been diagnosed with prediabetes, which is high blood sugar that doesn't reach the threshold of a diabetes diagnosis, a few lifestyle and dietary changes can prevent or delay the onset of disease. That is why we have a 5 number of preventive measures, starting with 1. Lose extra weight. As we have said before, obesity is one of possible causes of diabetes. So the preventive measure is to lose extra weight. A study revealed that the risk of developing diabetes was reduced by 60% after losing approximately 7% of the extra body weight. People with prediabetes are recommended that they should lose at least 7% to 10% of their body weight to prevent the progression of the disease. While if you can somehow manage to lose more than that, it will translate into even greater benefits. It is important for you to set a weight loss goal based on your current body weight. You should set short-term goals and consider losing 1 to 2 pounds per week. 2. Be more physically active. There are many advantages of regular exercise and physical activity, besides it being a preventive measure for diabetes. Exercise is going to make you lose weight, lower your blood sugar level, and boost your sensitivity to insulin. There are a few different types of physical activities that you can adopt. Aerobic exercise. This includes brisk walking, swimming, biking or running. The aim is to get 30 minutes or more of vigorous aerobic exercise. Resistance exercise. It is suggested that you do resistance exercise twice a week to increase your strength and to maintain an active life. It includes weightlifting and yoga. Limited inactivity. This form of physical activity basically means to break long intervals of inactivity. This will help you control your blood sugar levels. What you can do is take a few minutes to stand after you've been sitting at the computer or just walk around. 3. Eat healthy plant foods. It is important to add plant foods in your daily diet since they provide vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the energy and fiber source of our body, and the fact that fiber-rich foods promote weight loss and in turn lower the risk of diabetes is what makes it even more important to eat healthy plant foods. You should eat a variety of healthy foods such as fruits, tomatoes, peppers, and non-starchy vegetables. Other benefits of eating fiber-rich foods include slowing the absorption of sugars and lowering blood sugar levels. It also helps you eat less because fiber-rich foods tend to be more filling and energy-rich. At the same time, you should avoid foods that are bad carbohydrates. These foods are high in sugar with little fiber or nutrients. These include white bread, pastries, pastes from white flour, and processed foods with sugar. 4. Eat healthy fats. To begin with, fatty foods that are high in calories should be eaten in moderation. To help lose and manage weight, it is important that your diet include a variety of foods with unsaturated fats, which is sometimes called good fats. Good fats promote healthy blood cholesterol levels and a good heart and vascular health. Sources of good fats include olive, sunflower, nuts and seeds, and fatty fish. It is important to know that saturated fats that are also called bad fats are found in dairy products and meats. So while you're eating good fats, it is necessary to limit your intake of saturated bad fats by eating high-fat dairy products and lean on chicken for your protein intake. 5. Skip fad diets and make healthier choices. It is widely believed that fad diets that include the popularly known keto diets may help you lose weight temporarily, but there is little or no research about the long-term benefits of these diets. Your dietary goal should be to lose weight and then maintain a healthier weight moving forward. Making healthy dietary decisions based on your own preference of foods may be beneficial for you over time. One simple and efficient strategy is to make good food choices and to eat appropriate portion sizes. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.